What's good, YouTube? As you guys know, it's that Glamis crunch time. Tomorrow's Wednesday. I'll be heading out there to Glamis. This is my brother's X3. We just got it set up with some paddles with the DWT wheels. I'm pretty sure they're the lightest wheels out there. And then setting up mine. Did some work on my tires. Don't try this at home. We got rid of a paddle here. And then we smoothed it. Did some buffing there on the side. I did work a little bit on the clutches, got them cleaned out. And then I wanted to show you guys a video on these, since I did notice them a little bit ago that one of them was broken. I haven't repaired it, but I just replaced this one. I'll show you the broken one right there, cracked. So we got these billet ones from Henn Racing, and they're pretty easy to replace, so we'll make a quick video on it. So what you're gonna need is a wrench or an impact, 18, and then it does have a bolt on the back, which is also an 18. Let's get this one removed. One up. The other one. There's that one. So you probably won't have that mud flap in the way. The other one was able to just slide out, but we are switching the wheels in the front, so I think that's giving it a little bit of tension. This is a multi-use impact tool. You can use it like a hammer. There we go. So I did forget to buy the bushings. So for now we're just gonna run with the same bushings. And we'll replace them when we get back, because we're leaving tomorrow. Still pretty straight. Let's get another one in there. There we go. Let's get our mud flap. bolt on the back. Pretty easy to replace, like I said. And good thing I remembered, because I'm gonna be greasing these, and that's what reminded me that I had to replace it. Otherwise I would have just left. These do have a torque spec. I don't know at the moment. Don't over tighten them, because we'll break that bracket all over again. This one is billet, so it should be a little stronger. So I am in a hurry. I'm trying to beat sunlight. It goes down in about an hour. And I still got quite a bit to do. Got the kids' razor. Gotta change the oil on that. But here's the paddles. They did lose about 4 or 5 pounds from the custom work I did. I've been in a hurry and didn't really record. I just finished that up and then I started doing this one. If you guys have swapped this before, you know it's kind of like a pain in the ass. But I thought it was gonna take me longer. We got it done pretty quick. But it was made by CabFab, local shop here in Arizona. The reason I got this made was to have shade at Glamis when we're parked, and I'll show you how we're gonna do that. So I bought this on Amazon, pretty much a flag holder. This is gonna go here, like so. It has 2 positions, and then let me show you the shade. So the X3 is a little higher than normal, because I just got done messing with this. But I gotta order the 9-foot exterior shade. And it is a 2-piece, so I can disassemble this and carry it inside the X3. So it's in 2 halves. It goes like this. It is a little windy, so I'll try and make this quick. And it'll pretty much mount on here. So check that out. It'll be good to get some shade when we're out at Glamis, and I will probably make it a little shorter just because it sits really high. I'll probably cut this one in half. That would be the perfect length right here. We'll probably be cutting that piece off and leaving it this high. It'd be perfect. I'll be chopping it off right about here. And that's about half of this stick. So just a good way to get some shade when you're out and you're doing your stops. You want to get a nice cold beverage. So just an idea. And pretty much crunch time for me. Like I said, we'll be leaving tomorrow, Wednesday. This is the old CRP plate we had. There was some other ones of these that sit in different angles, but I went with the cheapest one just to give this a try, and I think it's gonna work perfect for what I'm planning on doing. I'm back. I chopped it off about half like I told you guys. Let me show you how it sits now. I think it's a perfect height. If I did need it to go a little taller, this allows me to bring it up a little bit down here, put it about there, and then tighten that one up. But I feel that's like a perfect height for it. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys out there in Glamis.